Anthropic just dropped Claude Fable 5, and this is basically the public version of Claude Mythos, the AI model that was too powerful to let the general public have access to. So I decided to test it out on something other than just giving it a basic prompt. I used it to automatically scrape hundreds of different leads for my business directly inside of Claude with a connector called Clay. It automatically enriches all of these different leads for me on autopilot, and it even drafted 29 different specific emails to each of these leads via this email voice skill that I created. I'm going to share with you for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how powerful Fable 5 is and how you could use it with Clay in order to actually go and get you customers directly inside of Claude. So let's dive into this now. All right, so first things first, we need to talk about what is this new Claude Fable 5 model that they just released. So if you've been living under a rock, Anthropic dropped Claude Fable 5 along with Claude Mythos 5. And if you don't know what Claude Mythos is, let me break this down very simply right now so you can understand why this is such a big deal. So Claude Mythos is a model that Anthropic released to a few select companies a couple of months ago because they said that this model is too good and too capable to actually release to the general public. They said that there were a bunch of different security issues that this could actually bring up, and they needed to test it out with select companies before rolling this out to everybody else. And now Claude Fable 5 is a model they just released yesterday that is a version of the Mythos model, but not quite as capable. So they felt they were able to release it to the general public. So this is our first time being able to use this extremely powerful model that Anthropic is claiming is light years ahead of any other AI that's been released. Now, something I want you to really understand is that most people are missing the key capabilities when it comes to this new Fable 5 model from Anthropic because they're probably using it to answer questions for them and, do certain things that are pretty basic. But we're really going to understand the power of this and feel the power of this when we begin using this across the different apps that we're already using inside of our business or our professional lives day to day. And why I want to even talk about this is because in this video, I'm going to show this when we add specific connectors, which are apps we use inside of Claude, that basically lets Fable 5 use and work across these different apps. And without connectors, we could basically only talk to Claude. It can't really go and do things on our behalf. With this setup that I'm going to show you in this video, we're going to connect Gmail, Google Calendar, Notion, Clay, a specific tool that's going to basically help us get customers. And this takes about a minute to connect the new Mythos 5 model to the apps that we use on a day-to-day basis. And now the main connector we're going to be using is something called Clay. This is a connector we have directly inside of Claude that basically acts as a phone book for every company that you could think of. This is a database that will search across millions of different companies and people. Sales teams pay thousands of dollars to use this, and this can now plug directly into Claude and specifically use a new Claude Fable 5 model. Now, instead of me just talking about this, let me show you exactly what I mean, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up and how we could begin using this right now in this video. As you can see, I am inside of Claude Cowork, which I'm going to show you how to set up later on in this video, and we could see Clay directly inside of the interface. This is due to the connector that Clay has inside of Claude. I told Claude to go research Anthropic and find all the different people along with the job title and location on LinkedIn so I could reach out to them about a potential partnership with them. And you can begin to see where this is going to be really powerful if you run a business yourself that is trying to actively get customers, and what business is not trying to get more leads and customers for their business. Well, now we could use this directly inside of Claude, inside of our entire workflow. Right here, we have a name for all these people. We have the specific job title, the location. We even have their LinkedIn URL here so I could go and try to connect with them. But this is just barely scratching the surface of what is capable when we combine Clay along with a new Claude Fable 5 model that just released yesterday. I could even go and click on this button that will automatically summarize work history for every single one of these people. I could then draft personalized emails to all of these people and even send them emails directly inside of Claude using another connector, which is the Gmail connector. So the plan for this is I'm going to have it go and find 20 or 30 different companies, rank them, and give me a ready to send email automatically. So not only will it find the companies, but it's going to pull the right people for me to reach out to. It's going to spot who's buying and then write the pitches in my own email style that I'm going to show you how to do later on. The first thing we need to do is download the Claude desktop app. If we don't already have this downloaded, there will be a link in the description so you can just easily, grab this and download it right now. Now, once we have the Claude desktop app downloaded, this is what we're going to see. Right here, it just shows back at it, Brock. This is the normal Claude chat mode that we're so used to seeing. It's as if we're using something like ChatGPT. But what we're going to focus on is this middle thing right here, which is called Claude Cowork. This is where we're going to begin using Clay and run some skills that I'm going to show you and share with you in this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure to select a project or create one if you don't already have an existing folder you want to work inside of. If you've never used Cowork before, let me explain how it works very simply right now. Claude Cowork allows you to work on your computer using Claude, and you can work inside of specific folders on your desktop, as well as create files and store those within those folders. So we need to configure a workspace right here. I have a couple of different ones. For example, I have one for YouTube videos. So we're going to come here, we're going to click on choose a different folder. Then we want to give a name for a folder. So let's just call this Claude, for example. All right, so I created this folder called Cowork Marketing, as well as you can now see we have the Fable 5 high model selected right here. We could go and of course switch which model we want to use. If we want to use Opus 4.8 instead or Sonnet 4.6, a model that is cheaper, we could always do that and still use Clay. I want to quickly talk about why we are using Fable 5 instead of some of these other different models that Anthropic allows us to use. Clay is going to go and scrape all these different leads for us. It's going to enrich those leads, but the things that we do with those leads, if we're using the more capable Fable 5 model over something like Opus 4.8 or Sonnet 4.6, it's going to be able to handle these more complex tasks from end to end without us needing to come in and give it certain input. Now, before we install Clay into Claude, we first of all need to sign up for an account. So there's going to be a link in the description to sign up. And if you do sign up with the link in the description, you will get 2,000 free trial credits. So feel free to take advantage of that. Next, once we actually create our account, we're going to come back over to Claude. And from here, we're going to come over to the customize button, and we need to add the Clay connector, which natively lets us use Clay inside of Claude. So once I click on this, we're going to come over to connectors up here, and then we're simply just going to click on add connector, click browse connectors. Then I'm simply just going to search up Clay. Then from here, I just need to select a specific workspace. So I'm just going to select this one right here, click on authorize, and this should send us back to Claude once I click open Claude. And just like that, we are now connected. Now, if we want to dive into exactly what we could do inside of Claude, you could always check right here. We could add company data points, add contact data points, find and enrich specific companies. There are tons of different things that the MCP does directly inside of Claude. So if you want, you could go ahead and always approve these. Otherwise, it's going to need to ask for your approval for certain tasks. All right, so let's quickly talk about pricing. Again, I do suggest you just start with the free plan. You could sign up with the link and actually get 2,000 free credits. So try that out, see where that takes you. And if you want to use this more, then there are some other paid options right here. I do want to preface and say this platform isn't necessarily cheap, but if you are a business that wants to get customers for your business, this will probably give you an ROI because it should help you close more deals. Especially when you combine this with the power of Fable 5, it really can be an extremely powerful tool. All right, so now is where we actually test this out. So I'm giving it the prompt, find the 10 largest AI tech companies in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and then give me their contact information with Clay. So I'm just going to click send, and we're going to see a couple of different things here. So first of all, what it's doing is it's searching the top biggest companies in Dallas-Fort Worth when it comes to AI and tech companies. Right now, it's just scraping the internet right now to get this information, but once it finds those top companies, it will then use Clay to scrape the contact information, LinkedIn profiles, all of those different things will be scraped with Clay. All right, and Cowork asked me a couple of different questions here. All right, so now we could actually see Clay in action. It's pulling up each of these 10 different companies with the actual contact information here. It's doing these one by one. So right now it's done AT&T, Texas Instruments, Sabre, Tyler Technologies, Match Group, O9 Solutions, Island. Basically, it pulled the top 10 different companies. And now let's actually look at this data that it gave us. Now, in order to see these top contacts at AT&T, I could either see it right here, or I could click on this open button. And this will expand my view. And mind you, we're still inside of Claude being able to see all this data. We could add new filters here. We could see the name, the job title, the location, LinkedIn profiles, and even the email of each of these contacts. And it pulled that information for all 10 of these different companies that it went and researched. And some of these companies have up to like 20 or 30 different contacts that it was able to scrape for me. Not only can I see all of these people here along with information, but I could also click on this company button right here, and this will tell me key information about this company. So it gives me a brief overview on who they are, gives me a link to their website, shows me their headquarters. It even shows me how many employees that they have, along with the type of company and whether or not this is a public traded company. So you could begin to see the amount of valuable data we're able to scrape with Claude Fable 5 as well as Clay. But this is just scratching the surface. surface of what we could do with this inside of Claude. What I'm going to show you now is how we could actually create personalized outreach messages to multiple people on autopilot using Claude Fable 5. Now, before we actually craft these emails to these leads, we need to now add the Gmail connector. So let me show you quickly how to do that. Again, we're going to come over to customize where we went before to add Clay. We're going to click on connectors and we're just going to search up for Gmail or Outlook. If you're using Outlook for your emails, you could do the same thing. Then we're just going to connect Gmail, and we could even connect any of our CRMs that we use to store this information inside of our CRMs directly inside of Claude. Now, let's say there is an app or a CRM that you want to connect to that you don't see directly inside of Claude. You could use something called the Zapier MCP in order to connect to 9,000 plus apps that it integrates with. And in order to do that, you're just going to create an account. You're going to click on new MCP server, then click on Claude Cowork. From here, you could see all the apps I have configured. You could add any of them across our 9,000 apps they work with. All you have to do is select it, click on connect, and it will be added to this list right here. From here, we're gonna click connect and just simply add this to Claude, then click this connect button. Then we should be all set and we can now see that Zapier is connected. All right, so now that we actually have our email set up, I'm gonna share with you guys a skill that I personally have that's really gonna help you guys out. This is called an email voice skill. Let me go ahead and break this down very quickly. So what this skill will do is this will automatically go and search from your previous emails in order to build a voice profile so it knows exactly how you respond to your emails. So what this is going to do is it's going to analyze the emails inside of your Gmail. It's going to understand what greetings you use, what sign-offs you use, which tone, sentence rhythm, etc. And then from there, it's going to create an email voice skill. So whenever you want to reply to an email or send outreach inside of Clay to all of these leads that you are compiling, it's going to always use your specific voice. Now, in order for you to download this, you're going to go to the link in the description where I'm going to give this away for free. This is going to come with a skill markdown file for you to download, as well as I crafted this little guide here breaking down exactly how this works, and it will help you set this up step by step. Next, all I'm going to do is run the email voice skill, click send, and it's going to ask a couple of questions as well as scrape our previous emails in order to build this brand voice. So as you can see this in action, it's going and searching through my specific email threads and it's extracting all of these sent emails. So let's let it do its thing and then we'll come back and then you should actually have a new email voice that's crafted so we can begin sending a bunch of outreach to all of these leads we have inside of Clay. Now, this is where we're really going to see Fable 5 start to excel because this has been working for about 5 to 10 minutes now, and it's going to be working really hard to craft these emails to, 20 plus leads for us all at once. All right, so now it's sharing with me this markdown file breaking down my voice from 25 different real emails that I sent. It shows the tone, shows specific greeting that I use, sign-offs, sentence style and rhythm, words and phrases I use, how I handle situations. So you can see this is a pretty comprehensive skill in order to make sure this always sounds like us when we send an email. So I'm just going to click on yes, that's me. So that way it can solidify this email voice. And then we could go and begin actually sending these emails after crafting potential replies to all of these people inside of Clay. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, find the top 3 contexts for Island, which is this specific company that Clay was able to scrape for me in order for me to pitch them on an influencer marketing campaign. So since Claude Cowork knows all about my business and what it is I do, it's going to be able to find the top people that we should reach out to at each of these companies. All right, so now it gave me the top 3 contacts I should reach out to based on social media marketing. Now, let me just come here and give it a follow-up prompt. Hey, so this looks great. I want you now to draft a separate outreach message to each of these people in my email voice. I then want you to add the drafted emails into the table inside of Clay so I could see them before approving each of them. So I'm just going to give it that prompt and send it off. And the tool I was using right there is called Aqua Voice. It's basically just a platform that allows me to touch a certain key on my keyboard and speak into my computer. So that way I don't need to type, I could just text with my voice. And if you want to try it out, there's going to be a link in the description. All right, so next up, this part is crazy. I basically told Clay, hey, I want you to go and draft emails to 29 of these different leads that we found. I want you to take the best leads that you found fit for this campaign and then send emails to those leads. And if I pull up my email inbox, you can now see in the drafts section, I have 29 emails drafted and ready to send. And one of the craziest parts is if I take a look at the subject line of some of these emails, they're very, very personal. Right here, it shows partner marketing ideas, DFW creator. That is because Claude knows that I'm actually based in Dallas, Fort Worth, and it's using that in the subject line because this is a very, very hyper personalized email that we crafted with with both Fable 5 along with Clay. And if I pull up the email, you could see this is a very good email that is in my exact brand voice that we crafted with the skill earlier on in this video. And what I could do is I could either go and individually send these emails, or I could just come back to Claude and say, hey, I want you to press send on all those emails. So guys, there you have it. Here's how you could use the new Claude Fable 5 model and the Clay connector inside of Claude in order to scrape and find leads for your business, give you comprehensive data on all of these leads, and even draft emails for you to send directly inside of Claude. So if you guys want to use Clay, there is going to be a link in the description to do so. Make sure to subscribe for more AI content like this. And if you want to dive even deeper into how to use Claude and specifically Cowork, make sure to join my school community as well, where I give away the 50 Claude skills that I can't live without and I use every single day. Thanks for staying to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.